Meet Joe, a spirited investor who once danced blindly through the market without realizing the crucial role economic indicators played in the financial symphony. He believed investing was like a chaotic music festival, but little did he know about the impact of economic indicators, the true conductors of the financial symphony. Now let's unravel the melody and discover how these indicators influence investment decisions. First, imagine GDP as the maestro, directing the economic orchestra. Joe, unaware of this chief conductor, missed the cues. Gross domestic product reflects the overall health of a country's economy. A growing GDP usually means good times for investors, while a decline might signal stormy weather ahead. Joe never paid attention to the drumbeat unemployment rates. High unemployment rates could be a red flag indicating economic distress. When jobs are plentiful, people have more to spend and investors can tap into that economic rhythm. Inflation, the sneaky thief in the night, silently stole Joe's purchasing power. Too much inflation erodes the value of money, affecting both consumers and investors. Keeping an eye on inflation rates helps investors adjust their strategies accordingly. Consumer confidence, the jazz soloist, dictates spending habits. Joe, unaware of this solo, missed a beat. When consumers are optimistic, they spend more, benefiting businesses and subsequently investors. A tune of caution, though, arises when confidence wanes. Interest rates, the rhythm of borrowing costs, can make or break an economic melody. Joe learned the hard way that rising rates might slow down economic activity, affecting investments. Low rates, on the other hand, often spur borrowing and spending, creating a more harmonious investment environment. Joe was stuck in a local concert, ignoring the global orchestra. Trade balances, the harmony of imports and exports, influence economic health. A trade surplus may boost a country's currency, while a deficit might lead to depreciation. Investors who diversify globally dance to this international rhythm. Joe overlooked the housing crescendo, a key indicator of economic health. Housing market data, like home sales and prices, can offer insights into consumer confidence and overall economic stability. A flourishing real estate market can be music to an investor's ears. Joe missed the industrial beat, the manufacturing index. A strong manufacturing sector often signals economic vitality. A growing index suggests increased production and potentially a thriving investment landscape. Joe, fixated on his individual investments, forgot the finale applause stock market indices. These benchmarks, like the S&P 500 or Dow Jones, reflect the overall market performance. Keeping an eye on these indices helps investors gauge the broader economic picture and adjust their portfolios accordingly. Joe's financial journey transformed when he started to dance to the rhythm of the economic symphony. Just like Joe, you too can adapt your investment strategy by understanding these economic indicators. After all, the key to investment success lies in dancing to the beat of the economic symphony, not just in the chaotic music festival.